This program takes a integer, say 5, and prints a diamond shaped figure with character ones. If you observe the above diagram, in any row we require some series of spaces followed by series of ones. In the case of first row, we wanted 4 spaces, then single one. In the second row, 3 spaces followed by 3 ones. Third row, 2 spaces followed by 5 ones. Fourth row, single space followed by 7 ones. Fifth row, simply 9 ones. The next row, a space followed by 7 ones, like that. You can identify that this problem can be also solved by employing the previous example's logic only. That is, here also 9 rows we are supposed to print. Thus, we write an outer while for loop which runs for 9 times. That is, I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 2 into n minus 1, I plus plus. And in each iteration, we will try to find out how many spaces we are supposed to print before printing a series of ones. If you observe, we may require that first row we wanted 4 spaces, second row 3, then next row 2, that is reducing like that. Whereas ones are first row 1, second row 3, then 5, then 7, that is increasing. So like that we have the behavior. Accordingly, we try to design the inner for loops. One inner for loop is supposed to print series of spaces, whereas another for loop is supposed to print a series of ones. You may find how many spaces are required and how many ones are required by the above table. In the case of series of ones, I can say first row 1, the time I value is 1. Second row, I value is 2, k value is 2. Thus we require 3 ones, which means that 2 into k minus 1, that is 3. The next row, I value is 3, k value is 3. If I assume like that, then we require 2 into k minus 1, that is 5 ones. So like that we can say that we require n minus k spaces followed by 2 into k minus 1 ones in every row. This is the logic of this program. As usual, stdio.h is included, main is defined. The variables I, n, k are defined. A value for n will be read, and the for loops are designed according to our discussion. Let us try to simulate this program with a value of 5 for the variable n. I value will be initialized to 1, and then loop is going to get executed once now. K becomes 1. Because of this for loop, n minus k, that is 5 minus 1 spaces we will get on the screen. Because of this for loop, we will get 2 into k minus 1, that is 2 into 1 minus 1, 1. that is single 1 will get on the screen. I will be incremented by 1. The outer for loop is going to get executed once more. K value becomes 2. This for loop will be executed. Thus, n minus k, 5 minus 2, that is 3 spaces will be printed. 2 into k minus 1, that is 3. Thus, this for loop runs for 3 times and prints 3 ones. I value will be incremented by 1, thus it becomes 3. Again, the outer for loop is going to get executed once more. K becomes 3. This for loop is going to get executed for n minus k, 5 minus 3, that is 2 times, and we'll get 2 spaces on the screen. This for loop is going to get executed for 2 into k minus 1, 2 into 3 minus 1, that is 5 times, thus we'll getting 5 ones. I value will be incremented by 1. Again, the outer for loop is going to get executed once more. K value becomes 4. This inner for loop runs for 5 minus k, that is 1 time, and will get 1 space on the screen. This inner for loop runs for 2 into k minus 1, that is 7 times, we'll get 7 ones on the screen. I value will be further incremented by 1, and outer for loop is going to get executed once more. K value becomes 5. This for loop will not run at all, as 5 minus 5, it becomes 0. Thus this for loop will not execute at all, thus we will not get any spaces on the screen. This for loop will run for 2 into k minus 1, that is 2 into 5 minus 1, 9 times, thus we will get 9 ones on the screen. I value will be further incremented by 1, and outer for loop is going to get executed once more. I greater than n, yes, thus k value becomes n minus I modulus n, that is 4. This for loop will be executed, thus we will get 5 minus k, that is 5 minus 4, 1 space. This for loop is going to get executed for 2 into k minus 1, that is 2 into 4 minus 1, that is 7 times, thus we will get 7 ones on the screen. I value is further incremented by 1, and outer for loop is going to get executed once more. Is I greater than n, that is 7 greater than 5? Yes. Thus, n minus I modulus n will be calculated and assigned to k. K becomes 3. This for loop will be executed for 5 minus 3, that is 2 times, and we will get 2 spaces on the screen. This for loop will run for 2 into k minus 1, that is 5 times, we will get 5 spaces on the screen. I value will be incremented by 1, and outer for loop is going to get executed once more. I greater than n? Yes. Thus, n minus I modulus n, that is 2 will be assigned to k. This for loop will be executed for 5 minus 2, that is 3 times, you will get 3 spaces on the screen. This for loop will be going to get executed for 3 times, that is 2 into 2 minus 1, and thus we will get 3 ones on the screen. I value will be incremented by 1, thus I value becomes 9, as 9 less than or equal to 9, that is 2 into n minus 1. The outer for loop is going to get executed once more. I greater than n? Yes. Thus n minus I modulus n, that is 1, will be assigned to k. This for loop will be executed, thus we will get 5 minus k, that is 4 spaces on the screen. This for loop will be executed for 1 time, and we'll get 1, 1 on the screen. By now, we have seen the required figure, that is a diamond shaped figure on the screen.